Okay children, today let us solve the word problems in the exercise 8.4. Okay, take your book and rough copy. First one, a train leaves Agra at 6:10 pm and reaches Delhi at 10:35 pm. What is the duration of the train journey? Okay, a train leaves Agra means starting time 6:10 pm and reaches means finishing time 10:35 pm. What is the duration? Here we have to find the duration. Okay, duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Okay, duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Okay, let us do is equal to finishing time 10:35 pm minus 6:10 pm. Okay, let us do first, let us make two columns, hours and minutes. Then first 10 hours 35 minus 6:10 pm, no, 6 hours 10 minutes. Okay, 35 minus 10, 25. Okay, then 10 minus 6, 4. Here both of them are in pm. So, the duration is 4 hours and 25 minutes. Okay, duration D is equal to 4 hours and 25 minutes. Okay, the second one, find the duration of the flight if the aeroplane leaves Chennai at 14:40 hours and reaches Hyderabad at 16 hours. Okay, here we have to find the duration. Duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Okay, let us do. Starting time 14:40 hours and finishing time 16 hours. Duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Okay, duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Here finishing time 16 hours minus 14:40 hours. Okay, let us subtract hours, minutes. Then under hours, 16 hours 00 minutes and 14 hours 40 minutes. Subtract 0 minus 40. No, we can't. So what should we do? Borrow from hours and convert to minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus 0, only 60. Then this 16 will become 15 because 1 hour has been borrowed to minutes. Okay, then subtract 60 minus 40, 20. Then 15 minus 40, 1 hour 20 minutes. Duration is equal to 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, third one, a school starts at 7:50 am if the duration of the school is 5 hours. At what time does it get over? A school starts at 7:50 am. So, starting time 7:50 am. Then, if the duration of the school is 5 hours, duration 5 hours. At what time does it get over? Here we have to find the finishing time. Finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration. Okay. So, finishing time is equal to finishing time is starting time plus duration. Starting time is, therefore, finishing time is equal to starting time 7:50 a.m. plus duration 5 hours. Okay, let us do hours, then minutes. First 7:50 plus 5 hours. Okay, let us add 50 plus 0, 50. Then 7 plus 5 is 12. So we can say 12:50 is here, this after 12. So PM. Okay, 12:50 PM is equal to 12:50 PM. Okay, fourth one. The tourist bus starts from Delhi at 7 PM. Starting time 7 PM and takes 5 hours 45 minutes to reach Jaipur. Okay, takes 5 hours 45 minutes to reach Jaipur. What is that? The duration. Then at what time does it reach Jaipur? What is the finishing time? Okay, finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration. Okay, here starting time 7 PM, duration 5 hours 45 minutes. Okay, finishing time is equal to S plus D, starting time plus duration. Okay, let us do finishing time is equal to starting time 7 PM. Okay children, let us write this 7 PM in the 24 hours clock time. How is that? 12 plus 7, 19. Okay, 19 hours plus duration 5 hours 45 minutes. 5 hours 45 minutes. Okay, let us do hours, minutes. Then first 19 hours. 19 plus 5:45. Okay, add the 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, then 9 plus 5, 14, right? 4 of the 14. Then carry the 1 to next place. 1 plus 1, 2. 24, 45. 24, 45 means, okay, after midnight. How can we write? 12:45 AM. Okay. Okay, let us write 24:45 means we have to subtract 12 from it, no? Okay, how can we write 24:45 is 12:45 AM. Okay, did you get? 7 PM means 19 hours plus duration 5 hours and 45 minutes, total 24:45. 24:45 hours means 45 minutes after midnight. Okay, 12 o'clock means 12:45 after midnight AM. So 12:45 AM. Okay. Okay, the fifth one. The class picnic got over at 5 PM. If it lasted for 6 hours 30 minutes, at what time did it begin? Here, the class picnic got over at 5 PM. Got over means finishing time. 5 p.m. Finishing time 5 p.m. Then if it lasts for 6 hours 30 minutes, what is then the duration? Duration 6 hours and 30 minutes. At what time did it begin? Means starting time. We have to find the starting time. Starting time is equal to finishing time minus duration. Okay, starting time you have to find that. It is then finishing time minus duration. Here finishing time 5 p.m. How can we write 5 p.m.? 5 p.m. means 5 plus 12, 17 is equal to 17 hours minus 6 hours 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes. Okay, let us do hours column and minutes column. First 17 hours. 17 hours minus 6 hours 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes. Okay. We can't subtract this 30 from 0. So what should we do? Yes, borrow from hours column and make 60 minutes. So 0 will become 60 minutes and 17 will become 16. 17 minus what? 16. Okay. Then 60 minus 30, 30. Then 16 minus 6, 10. Time 10:30. Okay. 10:30 a.m. is equal to 10:30 a.m. Okay. Okay, children. The next 6th and 7th, they are very easy works. Okay, you can do. So, they are for homework. Okay. Let us meet in the next class.